Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Earth Game. First, let's understand the fundamental goal, which often involves global domination or sustainable development. You will learn to manage crucial resources like energy, food, and minerals, ensuring your civilization thrives. We will also cover effective strategies for expanding your territory and defending against potential threats, making your gameplay both engaging and successful. This guide will help you master the basics quickly. Resource management is vital for success in Earth Game. You'll need to identify and acquire essential resources such as energy, food, and various minerals. Establishing efficient production chains and collection methods is crucial for maintaining a steady supply. Remember to balance your consumption with sustainable growth, ensuring you do not deplete your reserves too quickly. A well-managed economy is the backbone of any thriving civilization. Once your resource base is stable, focus on strategic expansion. Carefully choose new territories to conquer or settle, considering their resource potential and defensive advantages. Diplomacy plays a significant role. Engage with other factions or players to build relationships. Forming alliances can provide mutual protection, while trade agreements can boost your economy. Effective negotiation can prevent conflicts and foster cooperation, leading to a more prosperous game. Protecting your hard-earned territories is paramount. Build robust defenses, including military units and fortifications, to deter potential aggressors. Always be prepared for conflicts, ensuring your forces are well-equipped and strategically positioned. Finally, understand the different victory conditions the game offers. Whether it is achieving global dominance, technological supremacy, or cultural influence, knowing your objective will guide your every move towards ultimate success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.